top, reindeer falls. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joy. Sing it with me. Ho, 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 who would know? Ho, 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 who would know? Come on, do it. Up on the route. Click, click, click. Down through the chimney with old Saint Nick. What are you doing?
Showering?
Can I come in?
Sure.
How's your shower?
Good.
What are you doing?
In the shower?
Do you need anything?
Yeah.
I have a question. Can I get those Pokemon cards? Can you order me that thing off the internet for $19.99? Mom! Aiden! I just saw this commercial and I really want this thing. Can you get it for me? Why aren't you saying anything? Why is it quiet in there? Are you ignoring me now?
Leave me alone. Good.
Do you need anything? I have a question. I have a question.
Close.
Aiden!
Can I have
Aiden! Aiden!
What?
Aiden!
What?
What are you wearing for pajamas?
I don't care. Short.
Do you need something? Can I help you with anything? Aiden!
Leave me alone.
How do you like it?
I don't do that to you.
Oh, okay.